welcome to my channel. I just had my last class like 3 hours ago and I went to Walmart. If it's your first time stopping by, you're absolutely welcome. Right now I'm about to cook something because I didn't eat before going to class. My room is a hot mess. I need to eat and I'm trying to make tortillas because I need to switch up my weed, man. Let me just quickly show you guys what I bought from Walmart. I got bacon. I got so many other things there in the freezer. Got bacon, I got chicken. I'm about to marinate my chicken. I'm gonna show you guys because you guys, oh my gosh, I'm rapping. I'm gonna show you guys how I marinate my chicken because you guys keep asking. I'm going to make some tortillas and I have to use just one chicken though. I'm not using all of them. I'm just marinating them for my jollof rice. This I'm going to use for the tortilla as well. I bought spinach. You guys, I don't eat veggies, but I'm trying to be more healthy. And I tell you, I spend less, like half the amount of money I normally spend at Walmart, and I got literally the same quantity of things because I got me some of this. I got some carrots. These are the things I'm using for my tortilla. Let's go ahead and marinate some chicken. Making some bacon! Let's go! Bacon has become so expensive now in Walmart, especially. Actually, not just in Walmart. Can you actually not? Okay, I'm gonna be making like 4 strips of bacon because I noticed something. The Canadian bacon I eat here, sorry, obviously, where else did I eat it? The Canadian bacon I eat in Canada. And I said the same thing again. I don't know if you guys will see what I'm saying. Canadian bacon I eat here is not that salty. The one in the UK, oh my gosh, like it's as if they just pour salt. Don't cook any other thing with salt, but when it comes to bacon, that's when they know the pack of the salt. This thing is the best thing you can ever use to cook. I don't coordinate my words. Yay! We're getting some food together. We're getting some food together. Let's get it. And I present to you the bacon. I had to put some more water into the shrimps because I need stock. I need stock from the shrimps. I'm gonna cut up some carrots right now and also some cabbage. This is not cabbage, spinach. Spinach. I don't know if these are the things people use to make tortillas, but I'm new to this, so.